Magandang araw para po sa mga nanonood natin ngayon. Random reading po tayo. Ayan, may isa na agad na card na lumabas. I would like to take this opportunity para po magpasalamat dun sa mga nanood ng first two reading videos ko na ginawa. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. And if you're watching this reading now, this is definitely for you. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps sa mga cards na lumalabas. Grabe, ang ganda niya. First card pa lang, maganda na. Your first card is the world. Completion. You have reached a significant journey or phase in your life. And now, ready ka na para sa much bigger chapter ng buhay mo. Your second card is the Ace of Coins. Ace of Coins symbolizes potential and new beginning. If you are planning to have a business, tingin ko maraming opportunities na darating para sa iyo, para masimulan mo yung business mo. If career, you will be promoted. And your third card is Temperance. Temperance represent balance and harmony. So this is your fourth card, no? Puro balance yung ini-indicate ng card mo. Your card is telling me that you are wiser now and matured enough to know kung ano talaga yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. And your fifth card is the Ten of Coins. So, napakaganda talaga ng mga cards, no? And the Ten of Coins, you will be so successful, not only for financial, but nakikita ko rin na pati yung family life mo, magiging maganda siya talaga. And the sixth and final card is the Empress. You are a caregiver, so you